We have the gorgeous, oh my god, it's upside down. We have the gorgeous, the beautiful iPhone 13 Pro in Sierra Blue, and today we're just gonna talk about the new iPhone 13 Pro, you know, do a little first impression, a little setup, a little review from someone who isn't a pro tech reviewer. This is just gonna be a really chill and casual guide to the iPhone 13 Pro for basic girls like me who really only care about the aesthetics and the camera. I really do just love a good camera. I also just noticed I'm so colorful today. For once, we have the green top, the pink nails, the blue iPhone. Who is she? So I got the iPhone 13 Pro in Sierra Blue and 128 gig. And I am extra excited because this is actually my first time owning a Pro iPhone. So I feel a little bougie right now. She's in the color Sierra Blue, which surprisingly, I am like obsessed with. I am very surprised that I actually do love this color because I am not gonna lie, I was second guessing myself a lot. This shade of blue is really pretty. Like, it's not a pastel blue, but it's not like a jewel tone or like a deep blue either. If my pro artistic eyes had to identify the color of this, I would say it's like a muted periwinkle blue. The front is a little frosted, which I like. I think it makes it look more expensive, while the sides are metallic, super cute. I don't think you can tell on camera like how large and in charge these cameras are, but they literally take up more than half the width of the whole iPhone. And if you lay it flat, it's actually very like embossed. It protrudes. Clearly not a tech reviewer, but it's high up, which scares me a little because I'm scared I'll just like accidentally slam it on the table and just like destroy the gorgeous 3 cameras. But overall, really love the design of it. And I got it in 128 gig because, not to brag, but I'm really good at saving iPhone space. And I think it's because, no, I know it's because growing up, all my iPhones were the 16 gig ones because they were the cheapest ones. I have just been trained, okay, to be really smart at saving my iPhone space. Also extra great because it saves me a lot of money. And I already set this up earlier. She's good to go. All my apps are here. Everything I need. My whole life is now here. And whenever I like set up a new Apple device, I really just get reminded of how incredibly genius the Apple ecosystem is, because this phone was literally ready to use. It had my life in it within like, I'd say 15 to 20 minutes. Like, that's crazy. Like the fact that I got a new phone and 20 minutes later, it already has my whole life in it. All my apps, all my photos, all my messages, everything. I love this. There's like a sound going on. I remember before, like the early days when I would literally have to manually download every single app and then transfer my photos because I didn't use iCloud back then. But now literally you can set up your phone in less than 30 minutes. That's crazy. Also, I'm sorry that this video is literally just mainly me talking. This was supposed to be an unboxing, quick first impressions and review, and then like a haul of my super cute iPhone 13 accessories. But the cases and the other accessories didn't get here on time. They're still in the US, and it's probably gonna take like 2 weeks to get here. But that's just gonna be a separate video now because, girl, not to like, you know, overhype the upcoming accessories haul, but I picked out some super cute accessories from Amazon, Casetify, Wildflower cases. They're super cute, so I can't wait to film that video for you guys. Anyways, now let's actually test the new features of the iPhone 13 Pro. So to me, the main upgrade that I'm really excited about is the camera. Of course, we're gonna start with the one that I am the most excited about, and that is cinematic mode. Basically portrait mode, but for video. So this is super cool because you get the blurred background, the bokeh effect, which is so crazy to me because before you would have to buy like a really expensive lens to get the bokeh effect, and now you can get it just using your iPhone. It's crazy. Oh my gosh, it really works. My background is blurred. It's doing a better job than this camera. This camera isn't even blurring anything because I'm not far enough from my background. I am very impressed. This is super cute. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's literally blurred, and what I like about it is the blurring is very natural, because what I noticed, especially when portrait mode was still in like the early stages, you know, when it was first introduced, I never used it because the blurring was so bad. Like, it looked like someone did a poor job photoshopping it. It was so obvious that it was taken using an iPhone and not an actual like professional camera with a nice lens, because the blurring just wasn't great. But this one, girl, I mean, it's not 100% perfect, but it's pretty good. And another crazy feature is you can edit which subject you want to focus on after you've taken the video. Like, you can't even do that with this camera. I'm pretty sure, don't quote me on this, but no matter how expensive and professional your lens is, the video you take is the video you get. So the fact that you can do it on the new iPhone is crazy to me. So yeah, I really love this feature. You know what I'm still waiting for? I'm waiting for the wide lens on the front video camera. I don't get why we don't have it yet. Like, we have the front wide lens for taking photos, but we don't have it for videos, which I think if they did that, that would be awesome, because I feel like the video is just way too close to my face. Like, I want it to be wider, you know what I mean? So hopefully someone from Apple sees this and they add those changes to the next iPhone. But girl, cinematic mode, very impressed. Next, of course, we have to test out the telephoto lens, because it's my first time having a third camera, the telephoto lens, and apparently they also improved it for this iPhone. Ooh, look at that detail. Honestly, I don't really know when I'm ever gonna use the telephoto lens, because I don't really take zoomed in photos that much, but I don't know, the fact that I have it, it's just really cool. Next, let's try out the wide lens. Let's compare the wide lens of the iPhone 13 Pro and the iPhone 11, because I'm gonna be honest, okay, the reason why I was so excited to get the iPhone 11 is because of the wide lens. But girl, you know how many times I've actually taken a photo with the wide lens? Probably 2, because it's not great. Similar to portrait mode, like the wide lens of the iPhone 11 just looks so fake. Like, it just stretches you in a very unnatural way that it doesn't look flattering. It just looks a little weird. But apparently they upgraded the wide lens for the iPhone 13, so let's see if there's a difference. Hopefully there is, because I love a good wide lens. Next, let's compare night mode photography and videography. Cinematography. Here are some photos and videos that I will take later tonight. Let's see if there's a difference. And that concludes our iPhone 13. I forgot which hand is holding it. That concludes our little chat on the newest iPhone, the iPhone 13 Pro in Sierra Blue. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be doing a what's on my iPhone and a iPhone accessories haul really soon, so stay tuned for that. And I'll see you next Saturday, 2 p.m. Bye, girl.